chew gum. No, not chew, pop. Well, I come home this one day, and there's Bernie laying on the couch chewing. No, not chewing, popping. So I said to him, I said, Bernie, you pop that gum one more time. And he did. So I took the shotgun off the wall, and I fired 2 warning shots into his head. He had it coming.